Calculate on which day, Christmas Day, the 25th of December, falls in 2 years. Right as a word, Monday. Okay, so, boom. Let's take... No, hang on. Let's go in and just copy something like that, okay? We'll call it Future Christmas. Couldn't be bothered doing all the older stuff, right? I suggest you watch some of these videos here, some of the earlier videos, okay? They're in the playlist. Create a module, folder, call it something like that. Scan the application. If it's too quick, play it back slowly. Slowly. Very slowly. Kind of like starting X scan. Slowly. There it is there, okay? Now that's my Python stuff I'm doing. And scan that. Select on screen as usual. Minimize that thing. And we want calculate on which day Christmas, the 25th of December, falls in 2 years' time. Write as a word, Monday. We want to type it in here. So enter the day. And the day isn't recognized. Isn't that wonderful? So let's go down here. ID Christmas Day. Let's start maybe, I don't know. No. Okay, that sucks. Let me see. What else could we click on to make that actually work? Hang on. That works? Hang on. Wasn't that orange a moment ago? Why is it not orange now? Click on that. I don't know. Anyway, hit close. Save it. Hopefully we got something. Yeah, okay. Let's go back to the test case. The path is that. Yeah. Open URL. Whatever it is. Paste it in there. And the process is going to be that, but we're not doing that. That's the old test, okay? Let's drag it in there. Process. Verify the solution is at the bottom. And then we have to... It says, calculate on which day Christmas falls in 2 years. So let's call it that. Calculate on which DAY Christmas in 2 years falls on. Actually, you know what? Just copy and paste that. Now we have to enter something in here. So it's going to be something to do with the date, isn't it? DA date. That's a bit clunky, isn't it? DA. I can see things appearing in the background. And sorry about that. Notification on my phone. It's right underneath the microphone in case it deafened you. Date. Base date, offset, format. Base date would be, leave that empty. That's the current date. Oh no, hang on. Base date is 25 12 2020, isn't it? And then the offset is plus 2 years. Get the cursor out of the way. And then the format is... It would be nice if the help file was opening right now. It's a bit buggy, huh? Is that even correct? Oh, look at that. This date plus 2 years. Let's try it. Yeah, let's give it a go, right? See what happens. F6 it. Ew. That's not what I wanted. Hey, but it's a start, right? It may not have worked, but it's doing something. Input. What are we inputting exactly? Date plus 2 years. Let's have a little go on that again. I'm gonna take that into my notepad. Notepad. Boom. Ah. God, cancel that. It was thinking I was trying to close it. Let's try this again. Date. There it is there. Month, day, and year. So it's DDD. Lowercase DDD. Oh, okay. So let's try it again. DDD. Paste it in there. Let's see what happens. Sunday. But is that correct? Sunday? Ah, okay. So it's not 3Ds. It must be lowercase. It is 4Ds. I would assume. Let's try it. Okay. 6. Alright, it seems to have accepted that. Okay. I'm probably doing this very quickly, guys. I'm doing it quickly, and I'm kind of rushing through this because the bunker is quite cold. It's only about 2 or 3 degrees above ground. 2 stories. I'm in a basement 2 stories deep. And I just want to get out of here. I'm actually quite cold. Let's have a little look now. Let's close it off. Future Christmas. F6. Jesus, okay. Automation. It's wonderfully quick, isn't it? Verify the solution appeared. Calculate the day. Enter the day. I'm happy with that. Christmas in 2 years is on a Sunday. Okie dokie. But let's have a quick look. That reads okay. In terms of best practice, what do we need to do next? We need to have a colleague who you like and trust and work well with have a look at your stuff and tell you if it's A-okay. Because I copied it, it's already in the state like that. I should have set that to in work. We have the little horizontal wrench, and then we go to completed. Then it disappears. Okay, so I'm happy enough with that. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Need it. And then that'll be the end of the video. Cheers, bye.